Welcome back to our journey of healing. As we step forward into this exploration of recovery and empowerment, imagine yourself walking through a serene landscape, with each step leaving behind the shadows of the past. Today, we delve into the intricate process of healing after enduring the storm of a toxic relationship. Together, we will uncover the steps toward not just surviving, but thriving, as we rekindle the spirit of hope and renewal. Let this be your sanctuary, a place where transformation begins and resilience is celebrated. In the aftermath of a toxic relationship, it feels as though the very fabric of your being has been frayed, like an intricate tapestry painstakingly woven from threads of trust, love, and dreams, only to be unraveled carelessly, leaving behind traces of confusion, pain, and self-doubt. The journey of healing from such a wounded past is not only about mending the breaks, but also about rediscovering the vibrant colors of your individuality, reweaving them into a stronger, more beautiful life tapestry. This process can be daunting, perplexing, and lonely. However, it is imperative to remember that you are not alone in this labyrinth of recovery. As you read through this advice column, consider it a gentle hand on your shoulder, guiding you through your darkest moments towards a dawn of self-discovery and growth. The path to healing is paved with challenges, yet each step is a testament to your resilience and a movement towards a future where you are not just surviving but thriving. Toxic relationships often leave deep psychological scars. They manipulate your sense of reality, making you doubt your feelings, blaming yourself for the chaos. Understanding the dynamics of such relationships is the first crucial step to healing. It enables you to contextualize your pain and recognize patterns that were detrimental to your well-being. In toxic dynamics, patterns such as excessive control, jealousy, and constant criticism are prevalent. By recognizing these signs, you equip yourself with the knowledge to prevent future entanglements with similar traits and start the healing process. Understanding is the foundation upon which you can begin to build a narrative that uplifts and empowers you, rather than one that leaves you victimized and broken. The swirling chaos of emotions following the end of a toxic relationship can feel overwhelming. Sadness, anger, relief, and even joy can coexist in a confusing mix. It is crucial to allow yourself to fully experience these feelings. Think of your emotions like a landscape through which you travel, each one a different scene, unique and telling in its own right. Writing down your feelings or discussing them with a trusted friend can be incredibly therapeutic. This honest emotional inventory is a key step in healing. It allows you to validate your experiences rather than suppress them, leading to profound personal insights and growth. In the aftermath of toxicity, setting boundaries is essential, not just with others, but also with yourself. Boundaries help safeguard your mental health and signal to others, and more importantly to yourself, that you respect and prioritize your well-being. Visualize boundaries like a protective fence around your emotional garden. They help you control who and what influences your inner peace. Learning to say no, identifying personal limits, and communicating them clearly can transform your life. These boundaries are not walls keeping the world out, but gates allowing for healthy interactions. Toxic relationships often involve a loss of self as you adapt and mold yourself to the demands of another. Reclaiming your identity is both an act of defiance and a celebration of your uniqueness. Explore activities that resonate with your soul, whether it's painting, hiking, writing, or any other pursuit that feels genuinely enjoyable. Let these actions be your canvas. This reclamation is not just about hobbies, it's about rediscovering what you value, believe, and desire. This journey is critical as it fills the void that toxicity leaves behind with something joyful and authentic. While friends and self-help books provide some comfort, professional therapists can offer structured and unbiased support. Therapy can be a sanctuary for understanding complex feelings, a space where your voice is heard and your feelings validated. Therapists can introduce coping strategies tailored specifically to you and your experiences, which can accelerate the healing process. Embracing therapy as a tool can dramatically enhance your personal growth and facilitate a deeper understanding of your emotional patterns and behaviors. It is vital to treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a dear friend. Self-care goes beyond bubble baths and spa days. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Incorporate activities into your daily routine that nurture your peace, like meditation, yoga, or simply reading a good book. This practice of self-care reinforces your self-worth and builds resilience. It is a powerful declaration that you are deserving of love and care, primarily from yourself. Finally, recognize that healing is not just about returning to who you were before the relationship, but about growing into who you are meant to be. It's a transformation marked by renewal and growth. Embrace this change with open arms and an open heart. Celebrate each small victory on your path to recovery. This journey, though born from pain, is paving the way for a brighter and more fulfilling future. With each step forward, you are not only healing, but evolving into your best self. In conclusion, the path from recovering from a toxic relationship to reaching a place of inner peace and joy is undeniably challenging. However, each step on this path is not just about moving away from the past, but towards a self-empowered future. Through understanding, acknowledging feelings, setting boundaries, rediscovering self, seeking help, practicing self-care, and embracing renewal, you are crafting a life that's not only about survival, but about thriving in your renewed sense of self. In the aftermath of a toxic relationship, it feels as though the very fabric of your being has been frayed. Like an intricate tapestry painstakingly woven from threads of trust, love, and dreams, only to be unraveled carelessly, leaving behind traces of confusion, pain, and self-doubt. The journey of healing from such a wounded past is not only about mending the breaks, but also about rediscovering the vibrant colors of your individuality, reweaving them into a stronger, more beautiful life tapestry. This process can be daunting, perplexing, and lonely. However, it is imperative to remember that you are not alone in this labyrinth of recovery. As we conclude, remember you're not alone in this journey. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's support each other in healing and moving forward. The path to healing is paved with challenges, yet each step is a testament to your resilience and a movement towards a future where you are not just surviving, but thriving.